Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, I hope everyone enjoyed that real quick unboxing and real quick feature rundown for the Lytmi Cozy clip-on Bluetooth earbuds. Now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to go over my real quick first impressions with the earbuds. And then I'm going to talk about how they fit and feel in my ears in terms of the first impressions, and then we'll wrap this video up. Now, before we dive into the first impressions, I want to send a big shout out to a few inspirations for today's video. Inspiration number one, Flossy Carter. He recently dropped a video on some really nice open ear style earbuds, and I was like, wow, I wonder if I can find an affordable version to that. So shout out to you, Floss. Great job. Inspiration number two, Serrano, or commonly known as C. Butler. Good friend of mine. He also recently dropped a video on some clip-on style earbuds like these. And I was thinking, wow, those look really good. I wonder if I can find an affordable option to that. So shout out to you, bro. Really appreciate it. Keep up the great work. And the last inspiration for today's video, Gamesky, a really great earbud content creator. He also recently just dropped a clip-on style earbud video in this style of earbuds. And I was like, I wonder if I can find an affordable option to that with similar features. Shout out to you, Gamesky. Really appreciate your hard work, bro. I'm going to link up all three of these channels down below in the video description. So check out their channels, check out their videos, and if you like them, give them a like, give them a subscribe. I'm going to leave that down below in the video description. But that is what inspired today's video. Let's dive into the first impressions with these earbuds. Let's go. Now, first things first, I have to say, Lytmi, you guys did a great job in terms of the packaging and presentation, and I do like the minimalistness of this case. A little bit of company branding in the front. Then if you flip it around, we have our USB Type-C charging port, and we have a QR code that lets us download a digital version of our included user manual. So you have a physical user manual as well as a digital user manual. I really like that. So whatever user manual you want to use, it's up to you. All right. And then talking about the earbuds, I really do like the overall look of these earbuds as well. Again, minimal company branding on the back here, which is also the touch sensitive area. Then you can see our charging or pogo pins. Okay, and then you can see the portion that's going to go inside our ear canal or rest right in front of our ear canal right there on both of these. All right, so good stuff there, y'all. And then on this portion right here, and this is adjustable, you can see it's labeled. So this is our left earbud. You can see that label right there. So you can always know which side is which. And then on this one right here, this one is also labeled. You can see, and it is adjustable. This one is the right earbud. You can see the label right there. So good stuff. And essentially, when you're putting on these clip-on style earbuds, they just clip onto your ears like this. So this big portion goes behind your ears, okay? And then this portion goes in your ear canal or rests right in front of your ear canal. And that's pretty much how it goes. And then this is a touch-sensitive area which lets you control the earbuds and interact with your device. Really nice stuff. So now I'm going to try these on, and I'm going to give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So give me a second. So this is the right earbud. This just slides on like so. And it is fully adjustable, so you can find a nice comfortable fit. So that fits perfectly. And then let me angle this in. Boom, that's nice and solid right there. Nice and solid. And then let me do the same thing for the left. Okay, so again, you just pick it up like this. This goes to the back, and then this goes slightly in front of your ear canal. Let's put this on. Okay. And pretty much, once you get the hang of it, you can pretty much do this with one hand. Once you find a nice adjusted clip area, you can pretty much do this with one hand. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now they're in my ears. And one of the big benefits of earbuds like this is it's still open. Alright? So I can still fully hear my surroundings. But if I want to drown out my surroundings, because of how the drivers are angled in, I can fully drown out my surroundings and still hear what I want to listen to and immerse myself. But when I need to, I can hear my surroundings. So this should be ideal for working out in the gym or just doing casual things around the house or even driving. That's one of the things I want to try. Now, I usually don't drive with earbuds on for safety reasons. You need to always be able to hear your surroundings. But with open style earbuds like this, I think I'm going to give it a try. But with that being said, first impressions of the overall fit on here. The fit on these is actually really good. Let me do a quick shake test here. Okay, so very vigorous shake test. I gave myself a headache. These did not move around at all, so they are fully clamped onto my ears. Nice, solid, comfortable fit. You know, I shook a little too hard. Alright? Shook a little too hard. But yeah, in terms of the fit and the overall feel, in terms of the first impressions, these feel really good. Really good indeed. And now what I'm going to do for everyone, I'm going to take a few samples here so y'all can see the profiles, and I'll throw those samples up in post. So y'all going to see the front profile, And y'all can see this looks very discreet. And then you can see the two side profiles. And again, it looks very, very nice. And honestly, I feel like when I wear these around, or when I'm gonna wear these around, people really won't be able to tell that I have earbuds in unless they look really, really closely. And that makes them very, very discreet. Okay, so really good stuff there. And then when you're ready to take it off, let's take it off real quick. Okay. It just pops off real nicely. And you can rest it down. Okay. Just like that. So I like that. And again, you can adjust these so it perfectly fits your ear. So if you want a more snug fit, you can lock it in like that. You want it more loose, you can open it up like this and get that nice clamp feel that you want and make sure it's nice and comfortable. And another thing that I'm interested in testing with these earbuds is, can I sleep with them on? Y'all know I'm a notoriously bad sleeper. Can I sleep with these on? It happens. There's nothing I can do about it. So I'm actually looking for a really nice pair of open style earbuds that I can work out in, that I can drive in, and that I can sleep in and not have any issues. Hopefully these earbuds can solve these issues for what I'm looking for, but we're gonna find out. But first impressions wise, Lytmi, you guys have done a great job here, and I think this really is gonna be an enjoyable experience. That being said, as I said in the beginning of the video, this was another product brought into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? This came into the channel completely free of charge. All I have to do is use this product and write up and submit to be published on Amazon a full written review of this product, and then these earbuds are mine to keep. So this video won't come out right away, or the coverage on these earbuds will not come out right away. But if you follow me on Amazon, when you see the full written review for these earbuds go live, then you'll know that I started coverage on these earbuds. So feel free to follow me over on Amazon if you would like. This way you can kind of get an early jump on, you know, different products that I might be bringing videos on to the channel later on. You might want to do that. Now you don't have to, but it's there. I'm gonna link all of my social medias and things like that down below in the video description. But yeah, that pretty much does it for today's video. And once again, this has been an unboxing and first impressions of the Lytmi Cozy clip-on style Bluetooth earbuds. Okay? Hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link up all my social media handles down below in the video description as well. This way you are guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channel. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds right here at some really great prices, I'll link up all of the affiliated buy links for these earbuds down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission at no additional cost to you guys and gals that I do put directly back into the channel. So I consider those affiliate buy links a win-win for everyone in my opinion. And that essentially makes the video description down below a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know how you guys feel about the overall video quality, the overall lighting, and the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. All right.